Welcome to another Mockplus video. Today in this workflow video, I'm going to show you how our task management features can save you enormous time by centralizing teams' design tasks and creating a natural workflow in one place. Create a task, link it to a design, the team comments on the design, and you continue your iterations until it's just right. This is your task management home screen. This is where you can create tasks, view their status, users involved in completing the task, and much more. To create a task, press up here on New Task. Here, you can assign your task a title, you can link it to an existing project, you can assign it to a team member or team members, you can give it a due date, and you can even give it a description, so that everyone assigned to the task knows exactly what you'd like them to do. Here are all the task details. In the Details section, you can change the status to show that you've started work on the task. Now I can link all my tasks to a project or even a single artboard. The designer here has completed her task and will show it to the other team members to review. So now the other team members can review the design and comment on specific aspects they want to refine. Then they can comment on the task to let the designer know that there are unresolved comments. After a few iterations, the team has finished collaborating on the design and the task can now be closed. There are ways to customize your task management even further. You can add task groups so that you can better group certain team members for assigning them projects or tasks. And down here in process settings, you can customize the way your whole team goes through the task process. Here, you can change statuses, you can edit statuses, and you can delete statuses. To further customize, you can add your own label and your own icon, so everyone on your team is always aware of how they should operate in the task, so that everyone is on the same page. And down here, you can see the process settings. This is the flow of how you go through every task stage. You can customize this and tick and untick however you like. For example, when you complete in progress, the task will then go on to completed, and then it will go on to closed, and so on and so forth. And that is it for this workflow video. Our task management features supercharge your workflow by being able to centralize everything in one area, so your whole team doesn't need to talk on other apps, you don't need to send files or even links, and then your team, manager or client is always aware of where you are, and you can collaborate to make the whole process far quicker than using traditional methods.